Nationals. Here we come. We're in .5, so it looks like I'm close, but really it just looks like a movie. And there we have the star of the show, Coach Laura in the house. Damn, let's go.
Please walk through the machines one at a time. If you got
Oh, wasn't even recording. Bink, bink. Yeah, Addie's got fans. Time. You got. Oh, I already heard an old man. I guess I'm not a good camera.
Everyone ready? You guys ready to march in? Yeah? Yeah? Woo, ready? Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, they're getting ready. They're getting loose. Oh, they're getting loose. Yeah, on camera. Yeah, gotcha.
follow the voice, follow the voice.
Oh, we're dragging the flag. Oh no. All right, we're good, we're good. Oh, keep going. Yeah. Keep it neat, make it look good. Make it look good, make it look good. Thank you so much. Sir. What do you think, Noggle? Cool? Yeah. Yeah! Let's go, Afterburners, let's go! Let's go, Los Al! Let's go, Los Al! Let's go, Los Al! There we go! Let's go! The adoring fans. We got the rest of Los Al behind us. coming around the mountain. Herb, what up, Herb? Yeah, Herb. Hey, you guys walk slower. Avery, tell them to walk slow so they can catch up. Oh, there's Coach.
I think 115. Where's 115?
What's that?
Where's 115?
Oh, I don't know. Close. Where are we at? Yeah! Our adoring fans, there they are. Get them back. Yeah! Hey, thank you again. Appreciate you. Yeah, yeah, they got it. That's the lady. Yeah. More of our adoring fans. Yeah, all right. Ooh, sorry, Coach.
Be behind Downey. Oh my gosh, why are you so quiet?
Hey, it makes a good video. I look like a weirdo at the time, but nobody can see me in the video. Oh, look, we got repping Los Al. What up, boys? Yeah. You guys have the loudest roar. I heard it. Crazy. I know, huh? What a pitch.